E45 Dermatological Cream 125g. About this item. Lanolin light liquid paraffin and white soft paraffin have emollient moisturizing properties to help keep skin hydrated. Treats and soothes dry flaking, chapped skin and sunburn. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. Also treats more serious dry skin conditions, such as eczema, dermatitis, ichthyosis and certain dry cases of psoriasis. Perfume free. Amazon sales link, https://amazon/3pf1me, or below updated Amazon sales link. Directions. Check that the tub seal is intact before first use. Apply liberally 2 or 3 times daily or as required. Product description. E45 Dermatological Cream Treatment for Dry Skin. E45 Cream is clinically proven to be effective and comfortable for treating and soothing dry, itchy, flaky, cracked, rough, and calloused skin, sunburn, and cleaning products. The non-greasy and emollient formulation is quickly absorbed by the skin, making it soft, pleasant, and relieving. The E45 cream is recommended for more severe dry skin conditions, such as eczema, dermatitis, ichthyosis, and certain dry cases of psoriasis. E45 cream can be used daily by the whole family, including babies. Ingredients. White soft paraffin BP 14.5% WW, light liquid paraffin pH 12 euros and 60 cents % WW, hypoallergenic anhydrous lanolin Metilon R, 1.0% WW glyceryl monostearate, citric acid monohydrate, cetyl alcohol, sodium hydroxide, sodium cetisteryl sulfate carbomer, methyl hydroxybenzoate, propyl hydroxybenzoate purified water. Safety information. For external use only. Do not use if you are allergic to any of the ingredients. If you suspect an allergic reaction, stop using the product. If symptoms persist or anything unusual happens, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Keep all medicines out of reach of children.